Welcome to the next video in the Wildlife Biology for Kids Club series, teaching you how to observe like a scientist. Last time we talked about really sharpening our sense of sight. This time we are going to talk about sound. Can you think of what kind of animals make sound? Animals that we can easily hear, but maybe not easily see. Many animals use sound to communicate. And this is a great thing for wildlife biologists because often we don't even have to see the animal to study them. In fact, there are some groups of animals that we can study completely with sound. We can take surveys of them and estimate numbers called an acoustic survey. We can identify species just based on the sounds that they make. What you're gonna do is go outside for a few minutes, close your eyes and listen to what you hear in nature. By closing your eyes, it's going to make the sounds more prominent. Afterward, I want you to take your nature journal. If you are a Wildlife for Biology Kids Club member, download the worksheets and write down what you hear. This is a great activity to do over the course of a year. How do the sounds change with seasons? You can also do this at different times of the day. Will you hear different sounds at night compared to the daytime? Pay attention to sounds generated by wildlife, but also what other sounds you may hear. Do you hear sounds caused by humans? Maybe things like planes flying overhead or cars driving by. How do you think these sounds affect animals? This is actually something that scientists are studying, and it can have a big impact on animals. Once you start really paying attention to the sounds around you, you'd be shocked how many human sounds you hear. There are so many kinds of animals that use sound. One animal that you may have thought of that produces a lot of sound is birds. I want to introduce you to an app that I love to use for observing birds. Merlin ID. Just hit the sound button. It listens for birds, and as it hears them, it adds them to the app. This has helped me see a lot of birds I would not have seen before because the app is picking up the sound and I realize it's a new species. Then I try to follow the sound and I use my binoculars to try to spot that bird. Try it out. Next week, we are going to continue working on making scientific observations, and we are going to use our sense of smell. This video is part of my Wildlife Biology for Kids Club program. You will get the accompanying downloadable activities. Take them into your backyard, into your neighborhood, and use them to explore nature together. Get access to a community of like-minded individuals to share your findings and get inspired by what others discover. Interact with me and there will be exclusive content. Check out the description below for the enrollment link. You can enroll at any time. These activities are meant to be fun, easy, and intentional to get you and your child outside, discovering nature, fostering their curiosity, and connecting together. Make sure you subscribe so that you get the notification when the next video is out.